itself. Weird thing taking to school. I got a lot of dirty looks coming in here. So it's my Arduino project. What it is it's an electronic RPM gauge. So it basically, when the motor's running, it lights up according to what your RPMs are running at. It's basically just wired straight into the motor here. While inside there's a stator and on a motor that creates electricity. And so by basically just measuring the voltage that the motor puts out, it gives a relative value for what the RPMs are. The Arduino, what it does is it basically takes the input, the amount of electricity that the thing's putting out, it measures it and decides on what lights to turn on, what lights to turn off. It's relatively simple.
Tell us about those lights. What are those?
Oh yeah, these are NeoPixel lights. They're you have to download a library onto your computer to use them, and then download it onto the Arduino. But it's yeah, the coding for that's pretty easy. But
are they? What about the colors and stuff?
They can do pretty much any color. They have to make the colors. They have a red, green, and blue value for every single light, and it ranges from, I think, 0 to 252, and you can choose exactly what color you want for each of these lights to put out.
What colors did you use?
Green, yellow, and red. Since that.
Yeah, but which?
Yeah.
So what do you have to do to demonstrate this? You're going to start it up and rev it up?
Yeah.
What are we looking for when you're doing that?
The lights should turn on.
Should they turn color, or
they should start out green, and as you rev it, they move upward, but I'm not quite sure how to do it. The batteries aren't they're kind of almost dead. So I don't know if they'll power
what batteries?
The batteries in here. They power the Arduino and the lights.
Uh-huh.
But the ones for the lights aren't I don't know if they're capable.
Okay. You don't have a separate battery pack for those or something?
No, I don't.
Have you tried it? Does it work?
Yeah, I tried it. They turned on, but I don't know.
Okay. And it's pretty loud when it turns on?
Yeah,
so I think what we'll do for this one is we'll just step outside so no one gets too alarmed by that.
Sure.
Hang on a second. I'm wondering, just for people are going to be up and moving around, I think it might make better use of our time if when we're done with the next group's presentation, we'll go do it, and then from there you can be dismissed to circulate around and look at everyone's projects. Since everyone's sitting so nicely in their desks here, let's go ahead and watch the next presentation, and then we'll get out and check that out.